This is a used 2008 Mazda CX-7. Zoom Zoom. Powered by front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a turbocharger, leather seats, heated seats, a home-link system, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a spoiler, power seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Red River Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 402 West Side Drive, Durant, Oklahoma 74701.